Hi everyone, my name is Raul with Active Products. Welcome to the Active 2.3 support video series. In today's video, we'll look at how you can replace the capacitor of the Active 2.3 pressure washer pump. The main symptom of failure of the capacitor is the pressure washer does not power on, and the cause is not related to the motor or the GFCI plug. To remove and replace the capacitor, first you'll need to unmount the Active 2.3 from the wall mount cage. To do this, you'll need a 13mm socket wrench. Step 1. Unmount the Active 2.3 from the wall. Step 2. Place the Active 2.3 on a flat surface, on its side with the mounting side facing down. Step 3. Support the motor with one hand and use the 13mm socket wrench to remove the 4 bolts located on the bottom of the steel cage. Step 4. Remove the pressure washer from the steel cage and lay it on a flat surface with a protective cloth. Step 5. Keep the 4 bolts in a safe place for reinstallation. Replacing the capacitor. For this step, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, wire cutting pliers, and the replacement capacitor. Step 1. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws on the circuit body of the pressure washer. Make sure to keep your screws in a secure place for reinstallation. Step 2. Now proceed to remove the cover of the electric circuit to access the internal wiring of the pressure washer. Step 3. Locate the internal wires connected to the capacitor and remove them from the motor as demonstrated. Step 4. Remove the entire capacitor and terminal from the electric box. Step 5. Take your new capacitor and install the white and black wires with the blue wire slot as shown to begin the installation of the new capacitor. Step 6. Connect to the motor wiring and install as demonstrated. Ensure you tighten this connection firmly. Step 7. Carefully place all electrical wiring inside the casing and attach the cover box. Step 8. Install the screws for the electric box and tighten firmly. Remounting the 2.3 to the steel cage. Step 1. Carefully place the 2.3 in the cage and ensure the motor is aligned to the 4 screw holes on the bottom of the cage. Step 2. Take the 4 bolts and place them through the bottom of the steel cage and ensure you hand turn them whilst applying pressure to the washer so that a connection is made between the bolt and the nut. Step 3. Once all 4 bolts and nuts have been connected, use the 13mm socket wrench to tighten the pressure washer to the wall mount cage. Ensure the bolts are tightened until there is resistance to prevent vibration of the pressure washer while in use. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.3, please don't hesitate to write to us at support@activeproducts.com. We would love to hear from you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.